editing a vlog the other day, and it was a vlog I filmed in, I think it was December. It was December. It was Jamie's birthday, and I kind of vlogged the experience down to Bradford to surprise him. But this is the vlog there. It's up on the channel, and yeah, that's up there. And it kind of got me thinking is that I quite enjoyed editing that vlog, and I have been looking for something to do kind of just generally in my life as well. I know it's a bit sad. Now I know I'm no Casey Neistat. I don't have the hair. Now I've always been one for kind of just practicing, and I've always thought, can I get better speaking on camera? I generally do think I have. Now thinking about like somewhat of a daily vlog, I don't have a life like Casey or anything like that. I don't edit videos for a living. I don't do talks. I don't do it stuff like that. I do laser engraving, and I work for the NHS, so it'd be a very bit repetitive thing for me to be like, oh yeah, this is me going to work, this is me back to work, a bit of content a day, or kind of a daily vlog lifestyle for when I'm here, but then I have to have time to edit it, and I also have time to start working on my business as well, so I'm trying to think of integrating all of that, and maybe not starting somewhat of a daily vlog, but trying to create a bit of content. Now I've also got a new thing coming, and apparently I'm the next stop. Right, finally came the Amazon driver, went to the next door. Let's go and see. There we go. So, it's pretty much just something to try and do the patio with, because currently that's the state of it. Oops. Thought that would all come as one. So in it you get this rotatey spin thing, a wheel, plastic wheel, a plastic handle there, and that's it. No battery. I'm sure there'll be a pack, it comes with a battery, but I like 5 of them anyway, so this bit attaches on. So here, oh that's nice. So it's quite nice, it just clicks in, and the same with the wheel. Right, so this is what it kind of looks like fully assembled. The weight of the battery is quite nice actually. Right, I'm just going to test it out. Right, I've done about maybe 5-10 minutes of work, and I think it's, as you probably saw from the video, I think it's still a wee bit raining out here, so it's doing a good job. There we go.
She always wants to sniff your gate.
That was nice. That was Poppy. They've been out on waggy trails together, so that's a nice thing. He just likes to bark at dogs because it's near his territory, but they're best friends when they go to waggy trails. Well, I've spent a few hours ish. I got the hose out as well and from what the garden looked like at the start. This is what it now, it's not the world's best job, but I've got covered as well, so the garden's a project to maintain, and I will be doing it again soon. I've just kind of restarted watching Suits. It always starts with me watching clips of stuff I've watched before, and then next minute I'm back watching it again. Right, 6 o'clock now. The days went really slow, which has been quite good. Felt like I've got a lot done. Garden, obviously checklist. Done a wee bit of work for the business. Now, just gonna try and do some tea for Nicola. Now, I really quite enjoy cooking. It's one of my many things I like to do, as well as some woodwork and shooting, some piano playing, as you probably saw on the channel. And so I'm building up a slow pace of hobbies, but vlogging is something I need to really concentrate on. So coming up with a fresh story or something to tie the day all together is going to be interesting if I do continue with this daily vlog. So this is what we feed the dogs. Millie's Wolfart. This is why their coats are so shiny. This is Bailey. There you go.